Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai Imax, stock reference number 5666. This shape runs from the 11th month 2007 through to the 5th month 2018. It has a G4KG, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. G4KG, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has a bit of clear peeling and paint peeling. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, Hayman Reese towbar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Spare wheel with a good tyre, 16-inch steel. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 1 small dent, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right sun visor and the instrument cluster